Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. What's serotonin and what are its roles in the body? Well, it's a type of chemical that acts as a neurotransmitter, and that means it helps send signals from one area of the brain to another. And the chemical name for serotonin is 5-hydroxytryptamine, and sometimes called 5-HT. And it's a neurotransmitter that controls the activity of the nerves, neural activity, and plays a role in a wide range of different processes that control your physiology. So how does it work in the brain? Well, only 2% of the body's serotonin is found in the brain, and 95% is produced in the intestine, where it controls hormonal, endocrine, and autocrine and paracrine actions in the brain. And occurs naturally in the body and works as a neurotransmitter, sending chemical messages or signals to the brain in order to regulate things like motor function, pain perception, and also appetite. It also controls various biological processes like your cardiovascular function, energy balance, digestive function, and also your mood regulation. It's a byproduct of tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid that's known for its ability to regulate mood and also balances your hormones naturally. Tryptophan converts to serotonin in the brain and helps to make other essential amino acids that are available to help control your mood and reduce your production of stress hormones. So it's very important in your mental health and also in depression. And what are some of the benefits of serotonin? Well, it improves mood and memory. Studies have shown that low brain serotonin levels are associated with poor memory and depressed mood. And serotonin and tryptophan also produce alterations in the gut that alter the gut-brain axis and also impact your mood and your cognitive health. Also, serotonin regulates digestion. 95% of the body's serotonin is actually produced in the intestine, and also research has shown that the chemical plays a role in intestinal motility and inflammation. That is how well things pass through the gut, like your food when it's being digested. And when 5-HT is naturally released, it binds to specific receptors in order to initiate movement through the gut. It also regulates things like appetite and produces more of a chemical to help eliminate foods more quickly when they're irritating to the digestive system. Serotonin also relieves pain. It's been found that there's an inverse correlation between post-operative pain levels in people who've been operated on with chronic low back pain and serum serotonin levels. So another study also found that when healthy volunteers underwent acute tryptophan depletion to manipulate 5-HT function, they experienced much reduced pain threshold and tolerance in response to heat stimuli. Also, serotonin promotes blood clotting. We need to have enough serotonin for this to occur naturally, and the chemical is released in blood platelets that helps with wound healing. Also, it works to narrow tiny arteries so they form blood clots. So this is also very important. Also, it helps with wound healing. Other studies have shown that serotonin acts as a potential therapeutic candidate for enhancing skin healing in burn patients. And also research that was done found that serotonin significantly accelerates the migration of cells and then this improves wound healing. They found this to be the case in people with burn injuries. So it helps speed up the healing process in wounds and burns. So serotonin is very, very important in your body, and some serotonin deficiency symptoms and causes will definitely affect your mood, make you more depressed, increase anxiety, panic attacks, aggression, irritability, make it hard for you to sleep, change your appetite as well. Also lead to chronic pain, poor memory, digestive issues, and headaches. So very important that you are taking in enough serotonin. Well, how do you treat this deficiency? Well, you want to stick with anti-inflammatory foods. They'll improve the health of your gut and promote the balance of good and bad bacteria. So things like wild-caught salmon, eggs, leafy greens, nuts, and fresh vegetables are going to be good. Probiotic foods are really good for maximizing the good bacteria in the gut. Healthy fats too, avocado, coconut, oil, extra virgin olive oil. They'll also help reduce inflammation and promote more serotonin. Exercise is very important too. Helps brain function and helps neurotransmitters. Getting enough sunlight is important too. There's actually a direct relationship between sunlight and the production of serotonin. So exposure to sunlight triggers the brain to release the chemical, and this can explain things like seasonal affective disorder too. Tryptophan is important too. You want to increase the consumption of tryptophan, and especially L-tryptophan on a daily basis, and helps decrease mood swings, irritability, tension, and also restlessness. And also 5-HTP, 5-hydroxytryptophan. It's an important amino acid. It's naturally produced by the body, and it's used to produce serotonin, which is why 5-HTP supplements can be used to improve your mood and reduce symptoms of depression. So you can find 5-HTP supplements different places, online and in health food stores. So that's important, but make sure you take these under careful care of a doctor. So this avoids an amino acid imbalance. So make sure you're consulting your doctor about this. And most importantly, keep your nervous system intact and functioning properly with regular chiropractic adjustments. So check us out at newhopechiropractic.com for other great information, and make sure you check your serotonin levels and do these things to keep them up. That's going to help you to have a better functioning nervous system and body. And until next time, have a healthy day.